You got a friend in me. Who are you, Drez?
I'm Drez and the Buzz to the rescue.
Buzz Lightyear to the rescue. And what's brother?
Cowboy.
Cowboy. He's Woody. Are you guys best friends? Oh, is your hat falling off? I'll help you. Here you go. Oh, you want it off? We'll keep it off. Can you show me what your buttons do, Drez? Or Buzz?
Yeah.
Okay, do your buttons. The evil Emperor Zurg. Can you say, oh, he doesn't want it on, honey. No, he doesn't want it on. Okay.
Hey, don't press my buttons, Mother.
Can you guys say, Happy Halloween? Drez, can you say it? Why? What's wrong?
I don't want to.
Oh, I'll give you sucker, like brother has. Say, Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Say, love you.
I love you.